As you can see, this is a 30 strut tensegrity. It is made up of two different shapes, pentagons and triangles. Around each pentagon are 5 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's the same thing all around this tensegrity. You will need tape, an Exacto knife, 30 rubber bands, and 30 paper straws. To start out, you need to cut 1.5 centimeters into the straw from both sides. Be careful when you're doing this. Then, using a rubber band, you want to wrap it around the straw so that you have something like this. You want to do this to each of your 30 straws. First off, we're going to make a pentagon. You do this by putting the rubber band right through the slit so that you get something like this. And then you continue with the other straws. After making the pentagon, you want to make triangles on all 5 of its sides. You want to tape the edges as you're putting on the triangles. You should now end up with the shape of a star. The next step, you're going to continue making pentagons around what you already have. So that you get something like that. You want to continue taping the edges as you're making it. After finishing, you should have a shape that looks like this. The next step, you want to start making triangles out of the edges. Right over here, you have a triangle. Make sure you tape that on. If you want to do it again, make a triangle and tape it on. Now as you finish this one last part, you can feel how the structure is shifting upwards. After you're done with this structure, you want to start making triangles. So you have one triangle over here, and then you're going to make another one over here. You want to tape it down again as you're making it so that it doesn't fall apart. Make sure you're still taping it as you go. Then you have one last one over here. Now you should have a structure that looks like this, with triangles protruding on all 5 sides. Now you're going to continue by putting a straw on every protruding straw. And then you're going to tape it down. Then you're going to continue by adding this one end of the straw to one end of the tensegrity. And then you're going to tape it down. As you might notice, there is a pentagon shape that is formed over here. Then you continue the same thing, you're going to add this over here and then tape it down. Again. And again. One last time, you're going to do this again. And then you're going to tape it down. And then you have a shape that looks like this. And then you're going to feel tempted to add this part right onto there to make a triangle, and that's exactly what you do. And then one last one. As you can see, the shape is already formed. You can feel the tension in the rubber bands as you bounce the structure. And now you are done with the 30 strut tensegrity.